welcoming you back for day 15 of KP Video Challenge. Thank you so much for supporting me till now. If you haven't watched day 14, day 13 videos, you can go to my page and watch it and come back here again, right? I am Rohini Ambassador at College Innovators, Chief Executive Member of Go Healthy and author of Faith to Faith book, right? Yes. Okay, so because I am all excited for today's day 15 because I have some of the crazy questions and crazy answers through stories here, right? So how many of you love stories, right? So definitely you love stories. Okay, so stay tuned till the end, so you'll be getting some of the ideas or so the questions you too may have in your mind, right? Yes. The first question is so why I should be building skills right now? I'm in first year or first POC. Why it is important for me? So let me build skills after I get the job, or after job anyhow I'll be learning there, right? So this is the question. Okay, so consider there are two people. Okay, one is a civil engineer, one is a CS background, a computer science background engineer. Okay, they both go to the HR round and HR ask, CS guy, so what have you done in the 4 years of engineering? See, he tells, okay, I know HTML, CSS, PHP, Java. Okay, so and I have 9.8 CGPA. This is the answer he gives. Okay, so and the HR or the company is for the app development company, if you consider. And that HR asks civil guy, okay, so what have you done? So that civil guy tells, okay, he shows his phone, and these are the 4-5 apps which I have done, okay, when I was in the college. Okay, so right now, whom do you think the HR will hire? Yes, I heard it right? Civil guy. Why? Even though he was not a CS background guy, why did the HR hire CS background, civil guy? Why not CS background guy? Because he didn't have any past proven results, right? So that could make company profit, right? Because he took the decision, or the civil guy took the decision to build skills or build results when he was in college itself. That's why he got the 4 years time to build his skills or build himself. Whereas CS background guy, so thinking similarly, right? So after getting job, I'll be learning app development, or what is relevant to the job I'll be learning. So this is the limiting belief or the belief he had. But civil guy had the right belief that I need to be building right skills at the or multiple skills. I don't know which is relevant to my job, right? Multiple skills I should be learning when I'm in college only. Because consider, okay, so World Cup match, it happens 4 years once, right? So what will happen if an Indian team practices one day before the World Cup match? Is it possible to win? Yes, you are right. It's not possible, right? Same way in our career also, right? So the 4 years of engineering or 3 years of degree is like World Cup match practice, right? If you don't practice at that time, it is very going to be difficult when you graduate or when you face the interviews. Like same thing happened for the for the CS background guy also, right? So right now, so hope you understand why right now you need to be building skills, because now is the best time, right? So tomorrow will not come again. Yes. Okay, so this is the second question, that is, okay, so why I need to be building skills from the mentors, right? So I can go to YouTube or online courses available, or I can learn by myself itself, right? So whatever is there in they teach in college, I'll be learning, right? So consider, okay, so do you know cycling? Okay, so do you consider cycling as a skill? Yes, right? So cycling, consider, okay, there are 4 ways to learn cycling. The first way is, if someone comes to you and teaches you on the board, okay, so this is the tire, this is the seat, this is where you have to sit, and this is how you have to pedal. Is it going to be easy for you to learn on the board? Yes, I heard it right? So it's not at all possible to learn from the board, but because same thing is happening in our colleges, schools, but we cannot do anything about it. But so what we can do is take action which is relevant to it, right? So learning on the board, cycling on the board is not possible. Similarly, okay, it comes to the skills also. Learning on the boards is not possible. Second way is, okay, so you'll be having plenty of YouTube videos. 10 best ways to learn cycling. You'll watch all the 10 videos and you'll sit on the cycle and start pedaling. Is it possible for you to learn cycling like that? No, right? Because if you have any doubts, you cannot call the YouTuber. Am I correct? If you fall down, you cannot call them back. Right? That is a problem with you learning online courses or this thing, because the completion ratio is very, very, very less in terms of YouTube's if you learn, or the in the online courses. Even personally, I have experienced that. Right? So right now, okay, so the third way is, okay, so I can buy on my own, so why I need to ask anybody's help? Right? I know everything attitude some of the people will be having, right? But the problem here is, okay, so if you learn cycling by yourself, it will take years together. Okay, my question is, do you have so much of time in your life? Definitely no, right? If you fall down also, if you get any errors, there is no one to help you out, right? In the sense, third way is also not possible. The fourth way is, okay, so learning from those who already done it. So that's what we follow in college innovators also, right? So those who already done more than 30 plus skills, it's very easy for you to learn, right? In the same way in cycling, right? Within a weeks, 2 weeks, you will be able to learn. Do you agree? Yes, I heard it right. Yes. Okay, so this is the possibility of you having people, those who already done it, because within short amount of time you will be able to achieve. Because life is short, we don't have much time to experiment upon our life, right? So definitely. Super. Okay, so right now, so is the skill is very expensive? Yes, you heard it right. It's very expensive because skill is the next currency, in the sense if it helps you to make money in the future, definitely you got to pay price for the success. My mentor always says you got to pay price for the success. So because whatever success you get later, so you have to pay price before, right? So that is why. So because consider an iPhone, if you get it for free, will you believe on that? So is it possible? No, right? So similarly, right? So whatever we learn for free, that may not be valuable in the future, right? So we should not be cheap to our journey of success, or we should not be a freeloader. How many of you agree? So the freeloader, so will always keep asking for the free things, so which may not be make him valuable, so that he cannot ask money for his results or anything, right? So he cannot ask higher package for his skills if he is a freeloader, right? Yes. Then so right now, so why to invest so much on learning skills or building ourselves, right? So you may be having this question, right? Consider, so you have bought the gun, okay, so you have bought already the gun, but so that is your degrees or colleges, okay, so you already invested on so much. Why to invest on the skill building or building yourself or self education, right? So the self education, investing on skill or self education is like investing on the bullet. So do you agree? So without the bullet, gun is waste. What do you do with that gun? Right? Similarly, right? So you already invested on your education past in degrees or masters, right? But so investing on building yourself is very must. Otherwise, you will be a gun without having any bullet, right? Which is of no use, right? That's why people are facing right now, so there is no job, or fired out from the job, because they don't have right bullet for the right gun, or they didn't invest on their education at the right time, self education, or building themselves, building skills, so at the right time, correct? Consider a farmer. So let me give a story. Farmer, if he tells, okay, I want the great crop, or I want the great vegetables, fruits, but so should I need any should I invest on the seeds, okay, should I invest on the water, or should I invest on the manure or fertilizer? So if he keep on asking this, or if he thinks that this investment on the plant is expensive, he cannot get the fruits or vegetables at the end, right? So same way in our life also, if whatever results if you want, Okay, so definitely you got to pay price for it, because if you pay you will pay attention, right? Yes, thank you so much everyone for staying till the end. I think so you have got some of the ideas or beliefs which have changed in your mind right now, right? So definitely if it has worked for me, it will work for you too, right? Yes, so it's time to take action. So I'll be sharing my page website link below. So if you want to connect with me, okay, so you can connect through that, and the Google form also I'll be sharing. Okay, if you haven't registered for my webinar, so I'll be sharing the link below. And if you haven't received the gift yet, okay, so go through my day 3 of KP video challenge, and so click the link below to grab your gift too, right? So yes, thank you so much everyone. So take action. So yes, that's what gets you result. Thank you so much.